Morning, folks.
Welcome back to the mountain. I'm Tony.
I'm Joey.
From Gagnon's Mountain Homestead. As you can see, Old Man Winter has come back to the mountain. Yeah, it got cold and snowy again. 3 days ago it was 60 degrees. This morning it's about 10. And as you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night. Snow, we're kind of like the post office. Rain, wind, snow, we still must take care of our critters.
Yep.
So, there's the bunny bunker. Here we go. Ooh, got the frost on the bunny bunker window.
Hello, babies.
Morning, bunnies!
Hello, babies.
Take a quick walk through, see if everyone's okay. How they... Janice looks good. Johnny. There's Joni, Tania, and the captain right there.
We'll stop to get pellets.
Alright, we gotta run back in and get pellets. The good news with the snow is we can use the sled again. Just makes it easier to carry that big jug. All the way out there! Joey will demonstrate. Ooh!
And that's it. Didn't want to warn me?
Nope.
Morning. Hi. Come on out, Meadow. Come on out. Come on. All right. Ready? You want to be the first in line? Here you go. Have fun with that. Come on, girls and boys. Come on out. You're missing. Come on. Come on. Come on out. It's okay. Just line up at the door. Come on. Come on. Girls, come on out.
Now, as you did on the other side, you may want to tap that roof real quick.
Yeah.
Sucks when that falls on you.
Yeah.
Old Man Winter. Nothing over here.
I gotta fix that.
No eggs?
No eggs. But
All
there's
right.
poop large enough to look like eggs.
On to the goaty goats. Good morning, goaty goats. Here's Diana.
Good morning. Out you go. Out you go. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Everybody wants some. Come on.
I want some too.
Girls, there's 3 buckets.
A girl and her goat.
There you go. Okay, here we go. I gotta get the rest of it before my hands freeze off.
You want to swap?
Huh?
You want to swap?
Oh, God. Anna, come on. Come on. Out you go. Thank you. Thank you, girl. Good girl. Yeah, that make it easier? Huh? That make it easier, pretty baby? Mwah. Good girl. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning.
Alright, that should be it for inside for the goats. Now time for their hemlock.
Hi. Yes, I am.
We're getting your hemlock now.
Okay. That's it for now.
Alright, so that's it for critters this morning. Now we're going to go in and warm up a little bit. And then we got a lot of cleanup to do. A lot of snow cleanup to do.
A lot of cleanup.
So, we're going to get moving. Did a quick pass last night up here because we had to go out, but we'll do it again. And let that tractor warm up. I'll give Joey a hand shoveling this. Oh, it's just a light, fluffy snow. Only got like 6 inches. Time to ride.
The goats are going to join us. Come on, Goody Goat.
Well, it's been rather windy the past couple days, hasn't it?
Yeah.
There's that big pine tree on the left that's been dead for years. The top of it is now blocking the pathway.
Oh my. Wow. Hadn't
So,
even noticed that.
I just now noticed it.
Okay.
So now I gotta try to move it.
All right.
I'm gonna try it with the bucket and not have to put the grapple on. See what happens.
See what happens. Hey, Goody Goats, you wanna watch? Come on. Come on, Goody Goats. Go watch Daddy, come on. Come on. I'm coming. Just asking them if they wanted to join us. That shouldn't be too bad. No grapple needed.
That was a lot easier than expected.
Yeah.
So, finished plowing. Just another little obstacle on the homestead.
The goats like coming to watch. Hey, Goody Goats, are you watching? Are you watching, everybody? Huh? What? Are you watching? You want to talk to the folks? Huh? You want to tell them what's up, Sam? Come on. Mr. Vocal. Not today? Not today, huh? All right. I'm going to take a walk. You want to walk with me? Huh? Here, I'll walk back here so you can go with me. Want to walk with me? Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Take a walk. Come on. Hi, Nubia, Diana. Come on. Hi, Diane. Hi, Jana. Benjamin. Benji. Hey, buddy. Here you go. Oh, you're gonna run away from me? I feed you. Hi, Jana. Hi, pretty girl. How's those babies in your belly? They doing good? Huh? Can't wait to see them. Can't wait to meet your babies. Yeah. Can't wait to meet all these babies this spring. Couple more months. Yeah. We can take a walk and show you this nice area down here. We've actually been, well, Tony has been digging a pond down here. And this is what's called Gunner's Run. So in the winter it's hard for our neighbors to walk their dog on the road. So Tony plows out a pathway to give them something to walk on for little Gunner, our little buddy. Goes all the way down the end, up and around. Gives us all a path to walk on. Hi guys. Yes, Zan. You telling them a story? Are you telling stories? Just like a kid.
So folks, there it is. Cleanup done from this storm, huh?
Yep, it wasn't too bad. Light and fluffy.
Light and fluffy, maybe 6 inches. They said 8 to 14. Storm of the century! But
Yeah.
no.
I'm okay with what happened.
Me too. Still cold out though.
Still cold. Time to go clean up, do other stuff for the day, and enjoy the rest of a Saturday and decompress from the week. It was a heck of a week.
It was. But that's okay. We're here. And this beautiful, beautiful scenery God has created for us.
Yep, just for us.
We do love our mountain, don't we?
We do.
So folks, that's going to do it for today. All that YouTube-y stuff, like, subscribe, thumbs up, share, what else? Hit the notification bell.
And as always from the mountain folks, God bless.